Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. In this car here is working now. Just continue. In this car here is a 2009 4H. The computer go back. You see, this is a computer. It's a brand new engine computer. We take it out from this Ford box. The computer is sitting here. This is the computer. If you want to replace it, there is a very simple way that you just have to pull this cover out, one, and then you pull this one out, and you pull the third one out. Now you can put the one here. You just need to see, okay, which that, okay, and you clip it. The second one, you clip it. The third one, you clip it in. Be sure that it's go correctly. Now we have this computer set up. Later on, you can put it in. Try to do the tune-up, replace coils before you burn the computer. This computer can work for a couple of years, but because they never change the coils in time, it burn out the computer. The next step we have to do is to program the new computer. We're going to use our Ford vehicle communication module. Battery charge has to be on while you're doing it. You're using your laptop. And you have to also to have two keys. Without two keys, you will not be able to program this car. So right now we have two keys. We just want to be sure that our battery is in charging, because we need at least 13.5 volts just to get a smooth charge. And be sure also you have internet connection, because you are going to get software download from Morocraft website. It's okay, I'm good. The battery charge is on, so I will say confirm. Confirm that it's installed. We'll ask you to turn the ignition. Okay. Now you're gonna confirm again. Ignition is off. This one is recorded already, so we have no problem. Okay, ignition is off. It will ask you to turn the ignition on. Now the ignition is on. We're gonna turn the radio off.